Let me be honest with you, life doesn't wait for you to be ready. It doesn't care if you're tired, broken, lost, or confused. It comes at you anyway. Sometimes it hits you so hard, you don't even recognize yourself afterward. You look in the mirror and see someone who failed, someone who gave it their all, and it still wasn't enough. Someone who once had fire in their eyes, but now barely has the strength to get out of bed. I know that feeling. I've lived it. The world will break you. That's almost guaranteed. The real question is, will you rebuild? When I was younger, people laughed at me. I failed many times. School, job applications, business pitches. I applied to 30 jobs. Every single one rejected me. Even KFC didn't want me. I wasn't talented. I wasn't rich. I wasn't smart in the traditional sense, but I had one thing that most people gave up on too soon. I had belief. Not belief that I was the best. Not belief that I'd win quickly, but belief that if I just kept rebuilding after every failure, eventually I'd become unstoppable. Not by force, but by patience, resilience, and clarity. Rebuilding doesn't mean pretending the pain didn't happen. It means standing in front of the wreckage and saying, okay, this is what's left. Let's begin again. Most people run from the ruins of their life. They try to escape, avoid, distract, numb themselves. They scroll through social media, chase shallow pleasures, or blame the world. But nothing changes. You can't rebuild anything if you keep looking away. You have to face the silence. You have to sit with the discomfort. You have to look at your brokenness not as a curse, but as a construction site, your new beginning. The truth is, most people want to grow, but they don't want to change. You say you want a new life, but you don't want to let go of your old habits. You say you want to rebuild, but you're still holding on to people and patterns that keep pulling you down. Growth is uncomfortable. Rebuilding is painful. It means leaving parts of yourself behind, parts that feel familiar. But the version of you that got destroyed is not the version that will rise. You need to become new, not by magic, but by intention, by choice. And the most important choice you will ever make is this, to take responsibility. Not just for your wins, but for your losses. Not just for your dreams, but for your discipline. The world is full of people with potential, but potential means nothing without execution. I wasn't the most skilled founder. I didn't even know how to write code, but I knew how to take responsibility for my dream. Every time something failed, I didn't look for someone to blame. I looked inward. What could I do better? What could I learn? Where could I grow? That mindset is the foundation of rebuilding. Now let me be real with you. Rebuilding is boring. It's not exciting. It's not flashy. It's not Instagrammable. It's early mornings when you don't want to wake up. It's late nights when no one claps for you. It's repeating the same small habits every single day without seeing results for weeks, sometimes months. But this is where real transformation happens. Success doesn't come from one big moment. It comes from thousands of small, invisible wins that no one sees. While others are looking for shortcuts, you're laying bricks, one after another. In the beginning, people won't support you. That's normal. Even your closest friends might not believe in your journey. Don't get bitter. Don't beg. Don't explain yourself. Just build. Let your results speak for you. When I started Alibaba, I had no money, no support, just a small group of people who shared the same crazy vision. We worked in my apartment, no air conditioning, no salary, no recognition. But we had belief. And belief, when combined with action, becomes power. Too many people are addicted to motivation. They wait to feel ready. But motivation fades. Rebuilding doesn't require motivation. It requires discipline. You show up when you're tired. You work when it's hard. You keep going when no one notices. Because you know that behind every overnight success is 1,000 silent nights of struggle. There were nights when I cried, nights when I questioned everything, nights when I thought I was a fool. But I didn't stop. I couldn't stop. Because I made a promise to myself. I will rebuild no matter what. You don't need a lot to rebuild. You don't need a rich family. You don't need fancy degrees. You don't need to be a genius. What you need is to start. Start where you are. Use what you have. Believe in what you're building. That's how I did it. I used the little I had, my English, my communication, my optimism, and I turned it into a vision that grew beyond my imagination. People think success is about brilliance. It's not. It's about relentless rebuilding. Quiet, patient, consistent effort. But remember this: to rebuild yourself, you have to let go of the person who keeps breaking you. That may mean changing your environment. That may mean cutting ties with people who constantly doubt you, mock you, or drain your energy. That may mean giving up comfort for a while. But if you truly want to rebuild, you cannot carry the weight of your old life into your new one. Rebuilding is about freedom. And freedom often comes after sacrifice. So ask yourself, what are you willing to give up to become who you were meant to be? Sometimes, the hardest part is not the work, it's the silence. Rebuilding happens in silence. While others are partying, you're planning. While others are wasting time, you're learning. While others are distracted, you're focused. And they won't see it, they won't understand, they might even laugh. But one day, they'll ask you how you did it, and you'll smile. Because you'll know that you built something real while they chase things that didn't last. Rebuilding also means forgiving yourself. Yes, you made mistakes. Yes, you wasted time. Yes, you trusted the wrong people. But holding on to regret doesn't change anything. You must forgive yourself. Not because you deserve to forget, but because you deserve to move forward. You can't build a new life if you're still punishing yourself for the old one. Learn the lesson, take the wisdom, and leave the pain behind. That's how you begin again. And as you rebuild, redefine your definition of success. Success is not money, fame, or status. Those are side effects. True success is waking up every day with clarity, peace, and purpose. It's knowing who you are and living in alignment with your values. It's doing meaningful work that helps others. It's becoming the person you used to admire. That's the real goal. And the path to it begins the moment you decide to stop surviving and start rebuilding. I rebuilt myself through failure, through humiliation, through rejection, and I still rebuild every day. Because no matter how far you go, there's always another level, another challenge, another version of yourself waiting to be discovered. You never truly arrive. You just keep evolving. And that's beautiful. Because if you're constantly rebuilding, you're constantly becoming. So wherever you are right now, if you're broke, if you're lost, if you're doubting yourself, take a breath. Look around. This is not your ending. This is your construction site. You are under development. Lay the first brick today, and then the next, and then another. Quietly, consistently. And one day, maybe in 1 year, maybe in 5, the world will look at you and say, where did this person come from? And you'll know. You came from the ashes, you rebuilt yourself.